Welcome to this video. Today I'll talk to you about why Pepsi is an excellent choice for those looking to invest in dividend stocks. For starters, Pepsi is one of the most recognized brands around the world, especially in the beverage world. The company has been in business since 1898 and has built a solid reputation over the years. This means that the company has a loyal customer base and a solid presence around the world. In addition, Pepsi is a very profitable company. The company has a history of steady growth in revenue and earnings, and has managed to maintain a solid rate of return on investment over the years. This means that the company is able to generate steady cash flow and is likely to continue to do so in the future. In terms of dividends, Pepsi is known for its solid dividend policy. The company has paid out dividends consistently since the 1990s, and has increased its annual dividend by an average of 7% over the past 10 years. This means that Pepsi shareholders can expect to receive a steady stream of passive income through dividends. In addition, Pepsi has a diversified and sound business strategy, with a wide range of products and brands in its portfolio, which means it is well positioned to take advantage of different trends and opportunities in the markets in which it operates. Another factor to consider is the company's financial stability. Pepsi has a solid financial structure, with a healthy debt-to-capital ratio and a steady cash flow that allows it to invest in its business and its growth. This increases the reliability that the company will be able to meet its financial obligations and continue to distribute dividends to its shareholders. In conclusion, Pepsi is an excellent choice for those looking to invest in dividend stocks. The company has a solid reputation, a history of consistent growth and profitability, a sound dividend policy, a diversified business strategy, and a healthy financial structure. However, it is important to remember that any investment carries risks, and it is advisable to research and analyze any investment before making a decision. I hope you liked this video and that it has provided you with valuable information on whether Pepsi is a good or a bad choice when thinking about investing in Pepsi. Don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting content about investments and finance. See you next time.